Are you having trouble with your hot water tank and need it fixed right away? The hot water is not hot, not working like it should. Cold showers are unbearable. Can't wash the dishes with cold water. When this happens, call Pioneer Plumbing and Heating to get it fixed. We are Vancouver's top-rated plumbing company. We get the job done. Read our customer reviews. Here's what you can expect when you hire us to get the hot water running again. We'll send a licensed heating technician who will do quality work. Guaranteed. We provide our service around the clock. You can count on us to solve your hot water problem quickly and efficiently. Call today, 604-872-4946.